앞으로도 저 계속 밀고 다녀줘.
I've always been a man with a plan, always prepared, never one to leave it to chance. But it's all unscripted when I'm with you. It seems familiar, yet it all feels so new. All of a sudden I miss you, thinking about all of the things that we've been through. Oh no, it's not that I plan to, but I think it feels like maybe I'm falling for you. Don't know, oh, were we ever meant to be? Suddenly, oh, you caught me so off guard. We fell in love so unexpectedly, so unexpectedly, unexpectedly. I've known you for 5 years and a day. Never once thought I'd have these words to say. I wanna hold you and kiss you until the end of time. And when you're out of sight, oh, all of a sudden I miss you, thinking about all of the things that we've been through. Oh no, it's not that I plan to, but I think it feels like maybe I'm falling for you. Suddenly, oh, you caught me so off guard. We fell in love so unexpectedly. The one I was searching for was right here all along. Now I see you standing right in front of me. The one I was searching for was right here all along. How did we fall in love so unexpectedly?